Hello, my name is Afshin Haydari, and in today's video I'm going to solve an important problem about the concept of limit of functions using the epsilon-delta limit definition, a method to prove a limit conditional expression. Okay, before I start this subject, I just wanted to invite you to subscribe to my channel and also ring the bell. This will let you get any updates as well as new videos that I've created. Let's get started. Prove that limit of root of x minus 1 when x approaches 5 is 2. And then we will find a delta that works for epsilon equals 1. According to the definition of limit, precise definition of limit, we have this. For any positive given epsilon, there exists a delta greater than 0. Which, if absolute value of x minus 5, this is 5, less than delta and greater than 0, as the result, absolute value of root of x minus 1 minus L, here L is 2, is less than epsilon in equation. We should work on this. We organize the search into 2 steps. Solve the inequality, epsilon inequality, this one, to find an interval containing x equals 5 on which the inequality holds for all x except 5. Here you are. It means root of x minus 1 minus 2 is between minus epsilon plus epsilon, and then root of x minus 1 is between 2 plus epsilon, 2 minus epsilon, and then x minus 1 is between 2 plus epsilon, 2 power 2, and 2 minus epsilon, 2 power 2. As the result, x will be between 2 plus epsilon power 2, 2 power 2 plus 1, and is greater than 2 minus epsilon 2 power 2 plus 1. And here I should consider delta expression here. Delta expression, it means that firstly x is not equals 5, and also x between 5 minus delta and 5 plus delta. Now we should have some comparison between them. We should find a way that by using the delta expression reach to epsilon expression. Now we should have a comparison between delta expression and epsilon expression. X between 5 plus delta and greater than 5 minus delta. And let's consider this less than 2 plus epsilon 2 power 2 plus 1, and also at this side let's consider 5 minus delta be equal and greater than 2 minus epsilon 2 power 2 plus 1. And here delta is less or equals 2 plus epsilon 2 power 2 minus 4. And at this part delta is less than 4 minus 2 minus epsilon 2 in power 2. So we have two answers, but which one is true for us? Okay, by considering epsilon is 1 here. As a matter of fact, we should take the minimum delta. So let me consider or plug in a number such as epsilon equals 1 here, and by this here by plugging 1 instead of epsilon, delta is less than 3. And here again by plugging 1 instead of epsilon here, delta will be less or equals 2 plus 1 to power 2 minus 4. So it is 5. Which one we should select? This one, because this is, we should select the minimum delta. Okay? Look at the graph of this function here. This is the graph of our function. Y equals root of x minus 1, and the inequality holds for all x in the open interval of 2 to 10, open interval. And because of this, I put hollow points here, and it holds for all x except possibly at 5 in this interval as well. Okay, find a value of delta greater than 0 to place the central interval x between 5 minus delta and 5 plus delta. Center it at x equals 5 inside the interval starting from 2 to 10. The distance from 5 to the nearer endpoint of this interval from here, from 2 to 10, is 3. So we select the amount of 3 for the delta. It means that if we take delta equals 3 for any smaller positive number, then the inequality of x minus 5, it means delta expression, absolute value of x minus 5 is less than delta and greater than 0. So by this, we'll automatically place x between 2 and 10 to make epsilon inequation true. Hope this video has inspired you to think about concept of limit of a function adequately. Dear friends, if you are interested to my videos, please don't forget to subscribe in my channel and hit the like button and ring the bell as well to get a notification about my new videos. Thanks a lot and goodbye.